Want to make those trending AI product unboxing videos that look super cool? Trust me, it's way easier than you think. And today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can create one from scratch, even if you've never touched AI tools before. Step 1. Setting up the magic prompt. Alright, first things first, we need our secret weapon, the prompts. I've already prepared 2 powerful prompts for you, and you can grab them from my website in the description. The top one is a text-to-image prompt to create your cardboard box image. The bottom one is an image-to-video prompt for making your actual unboxing video using Google Veo. Before you copy them, make sure to edit 2 parts. First, the brand name. Put your shop or product name here. And second, a business type, so the AI knows what products to include. For example, electronics store or makeup brand. Step 2. Generate the box image. Now let's make the box. Copy the first prompt you just edited. Then head over to gemini.google.com. Upload your shop's logo first, paste the prompt, and hit send. In a few seconds, boom, your custom box image is ready. Just download it and save it to your gallery. Step 3. Generate the unboxing video. Here's where it gets fun. Copy the second prompt you edited. Open a new chat in Gemini, paste it in, and hit send. Gemini will give you another prompt, this one specifically for image to video. Copy that, start a new Gemini chat again, but this time tap the video option in the chat box. Upload the image you made earlier, paste the prompt, and hit send. Wait a few minutes, and there it is. Your AI unboxing video is done. Looks amazing, right? All that's left is to download and show it off. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a trending AI product unboxing video without expensive cameras or editing skills. If you try this out, let me know how it turns out. And hey, don't be surprised if your video goes viral.